The Taj Mahal is not just a monument, it is a symbol of eternal love. In the 17th century, the Mughal emperor Shah Jahan built this breathtaking white marble wonder in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who died while giving birth to their child. Every inch of the Taj Mahal reflects perfect balance. The entire complex is designed with flawless bilateral symmetry along a single central axis. Though built from pure ivory white marble, the Taj Mahal appears to change its colors with time: soft pink at dawn, glowing yellow in the evening, and shimmering gold under moonlight. Construction began in the year 1632. More than 20,000 skilled artisans worked for nearly 22 years to bring this dream into reality. The finest white marble was transported from distant lands. Precious stones were carefully inlaid by hand to create the breathtaking beauty we see today. At the heart of the monument rises a majestic onion-shaped dome, crowned with a shining gilded finial. 4 tall, slender minarets stand at the corners, guarding the monument like eternal sentinels. Inside and outside, intricate floral designs sparkle with jade, jasper, and crystal, each stone placed with perfect precision. Verses from the Holy Quran are beautifully calligraphed across the arches and gateways, reminding visitors of faith, devotion, and eternity. The mausoleum stands at the center of a grand complex that includes a mosque, a guest house, and vast charbagh gardens divided in perfect symmetry. The Taj Mahal is the finest expression of Mughal architecture, a flawless blend of Persian elegance, Indian craftsmanship, and Islamic spiritual design. Even today, the Taj Mahal stands silent yet eternal, a living reminder that true love never fades with time. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and honored among the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal continues to whisper one timeless message to humanity: love is forever.